A 72-year-old man falls from his hospital bed, lapses into a coma 3 or 4 days later, dies 3 weeks after that. You want to find out what happened? Come on in. I'm Gerry Oginski, a New York medical malpractice and personal injury trial attorney practicing law here in the state of New York. The story I'm about to tell you involved a gentleman who had lung cancer. He was admitted to the hospital for treatment of the lung cancer, and in the process of getting him ready to go for an MRI, he had gotten restless. In order to prevent him from getting out of bed and possibly hurting himself, the doctors wrote strict orders that he was to be confined and in fact restrained to his bed. When the nurse and the technician brought him into the room to set him up, they put him back in the room, they tucked him in, and then about 2 hours later, his daughter gets a call saying, "We just want to inform you, your dad fell and hit his head." His daughter asked, how could this happen? It wasn't until we were deep in the middle of the lawsuit and I had questioned a number of witnesses that I found out exactly why he fell. And here's the answer. When the nurse and the technician brought him back from the MRI and were now setting him up in his room, in the new room, he had a restraint on. It looked like a vest. And that vest had straps coming from the top and the bottom. Those straps get secured underneath the bed. And the only way to do that is with the technician and the nurse to tie the straps down so that he physically can't get up from the bed. This nurse and this technician who tucked him in did not bother to restrain him and didn't bother to secure the straps. They put him in the bed, they tucked him in, and guess what happened? Their worst nightmare. He gets up, he was disoriented, he went to go to the bathroom, he fell and hit his head, leading to his death. And that's what prompted the daughter to pick up the phone and call me. So why do I tell you this? Because you may find yourself in a similar situation where your loved one or yourself were in the hospital, and as a result of something going wrong, you suffered an injury. And now you have questions. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to do two things. I want you to press that button below that says like. This way all of your friends on Facebook and YouTube will get the same exact information that you just got. And two, I want you to pick up the phone and call me. I can answer your legal questions. This is what I do every single day. I answer legal questions. You can reach me at 516-487-8207 or by email at lawmed10@yahoo.com. I'm Gerry Oginski here in New York. Thanks for watching.